In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monopoly Go to Facebook. This process is simple and shouldn't take more than 5 minutes of your time. So, whether you're a seasoned player or just getting started, connecting your game to Facebook can help enhance your overall gaming experience. It helps keep your progress safe and enables you to connect with friends for more interactive gameplay. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Monopoly Go's official website. You can easily find it by typing Monopoly Go into your search bar, and it should be one of the first results that pop up. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice various options and links that detail game features and updates. Next, look for the option that suggests social media connections, typically prominently displayed due to its importance. You'll see a button labeled Sign In with Facebook. This is your next stop. Clicking on this button is going to initiate the connection process with your Facebook account. A new window or tab will open up requesting you to log in if you're not already in a Facebook session. Enter your email and password, ensuring you're using your correct account credentials. Security is crucial, so it's always wise to double-check you haven't made any typing mistakes here. Once you've logged in, Facebook will prompt you to give Monopoly Go certain permissions. This is standard procedure and enables the game to integrate various functionalities, such as posting your achievements or connecting with friends. Carefully read what permissions you are granting. Generally, these are standard permissions and are widely accepted. However, if you're uncertain, take a moment to review them thoroughly. After you've allowed these permissions, you'll be automatically redirected back to Monopoly Go. This is where the magic of linking the two accounts really happens. Now, your Monopoly Go account is synced with your Facebook. As you explore the game, you should feel a newfound sense of integration, like being able to see which of your Facebook friends are playing too. This connection can provide both gameplay benefits and a social element, making your experience much more enriched. Now, you're back at the Monopoly Go home screen. Double-check everything to ensure your profiles appear connected. You might see an icon or a notification reflecting this successful integration. If you encounter any issues, usually a simple refresh of the page or clearing of your browser's cache will help resolve it. Congratulations! You've successfully linked Monopoly Go with your Facebook account and are ready to enjoy the expanded features this connection allows. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Play on and enjoy your adventures in Monopoly Go.